In this video, guys, I'm going to show you one really simple mod that you can do for lots of vehicles that requires literally zero effort, and it changes the whole look of your truck. Stay tuned. We all know the Trail Boss comes with red front tow hooks for these trucks, but I do like the red look anyways. I like kind of just like the random red pop on some spots, and it looks good for like off-road vehicles as well. I've always been a fan. My last off-road rig had red shackles, red hooks, just some red accents. This one's mostly black and dark blue, grayish. So just the red pop's kind of nice in some spots, not overkill. But I was thinking of taking these off. I was gonna take off my tow hooks and paint them. But then I looked on Amazon and you can literally get tow hook covers that are silicone, and they literally go on in 10 seconds and they make the truck look way better in my opinion. And you can take them off. So whatever you want. You can throw them on one day, take them off the next, whatever you want to do. You don't even need to put them on. If you don't like them, just take them, send them back to Amazon. I'll leave the link in here. I've been repping them for almost a year maybe, and I love the look. So here's the truck without it. It looks pretty good. As you guys can see, the tow hooks there are just black. It does look good that way too. But if you want to make it the Trail Boss's little brother, little broski, you come over, you slap that on, and done. Literally that easy. You got a Trail Boss in front of you. Like, look at that. That's just crazy to me. You can't find mods that easy. I was totally prepared to take them off and paint them, but then I stumbled across that. Look how good it makes this truck look though. Like, that actually looks so good with the little red pop. Just a little more aggressive. It does have a 2-inch level. It's got some off-road lights, tinted side markers, but this truck looks really good. And with that, it just gives it a little more. Like, I just think it really helps the front end. Just like any off-road vehicle, like the red pop in some spots. 20 bucks, fully removable within a second. Doesn't affect anything, doesn't hurt anything. I love the look of it. And it's a lot less work than painting and all that. Then you can't go back to black either. So you can see I just put it on there with one hand. Super simple. I wanted to show you guys this because it's really cool. For the money, 20 bucks, for the time, 10 seconds, it changes the front end. So I'm really happy with this mod. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it better with the red tow hooks or the black? I think it looks really good with the red. I've been repping it. Looks really cool. No damage done to the vehicle. If you don't like them, send them back to Amazon the same day you get them and try them on. But I think it's really cool. I just want to let you guys know because I didn't really know about these. I thought you had to paint it, and painting something like this is just more of a hassle. But having the silicone hooks is really cool. Great idea too. Make sure you guys try to find one specific to your vehicle because the tow hooks are a little different. This one's meant for my truck, that's why they fit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Super quick, simple mod you guys can do any day of the week. No tools required. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace.